Now we are going to talk about the structure of the Google Sheet. Google Sheet file consists of different sheets over here. So we are we name them as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, and if you want to add more sheets, you can click here to the plus sign. And at the same time, you are able to do actions with the separate sheets. You can rename them, you can delete them, you can duplicate them, you can even set them some colors on every sheet. Now, if you want to add another sheet, you can click here. That will give us sheet number 5. You can play with them, drag and drop them to the different spots. If you want an easy access to these sheets, you are able to click here on a menu button. Now that gives you access to the different sheets. That is, in Google Sheets, you have an access to 256 sheets and 5 million cells. Now, if you have more than 256 sheets, or if you have more than 5 million cells, first of all, Google Sheet will slow down. At the same time, Google will ask you to create another file. Now, every sheet consists of columns, rows, and cells. Columns are the letters that you see over here. A, B, C, D, E, F. So it goes all the letters. After Z, it will start with the AA, AB, AC. So it goes like that. Now, rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes until the end. Now, let's come to the explanation of cell. Cell is one point in Google Sheet. Right now, our mouse is clicked on cell number A1. Now, we jump to cell number D8. And each of these are distinctive cells. Think of cells as a point in the map. And every sheet have cells, rows, and columns. And with that, it gives us the structure of Google Sheets.